Created in 2010, the EOR Alliance combines the expertise of 3 international leaders, encompassing all EOR technologies from chemical to thermal. IFP pioneer in EOR with state-of-the-art lab capabilities. Beicip-Franlab, expert in field development and reservoir engineering studies. And Solvay, one of the world's largest chemical companies. Our mission, to increase recovery factor while bringing the latest EOR innovations through integrated solutions. Our experience, participation in reference deployment EOR processes at Pelican Lake or Daoqing. The Alliance proposes an integrated offer through a dedicated workflow, pre-feasibility analysis, laboratory design, pilot design, and finally pilot execution and field-scale deployment. Taking the operational aspects into account from the very first stage of the project, the Alliance is able to guarantee the success of an EOR project. Through its internationally renowned experience in complete analysis of reservoir characteristics, it can select the best EOR method for each client case. The Alliance then evaluates the EOR processes at laboratory scale in reservoir conditions. Firstly, the cores provided by the client are scanned to select the samples that best represent the reservoir's characteristics. When chemical processes are chosen, proprietary robotic technologies are used to design the best formula for each field. Their speed helps evaluate several hundred chemical combinations per day, all of which are commercially available on an industrial scale. The chosen formulation is then tested using core flood experiments.
With 18 core flood systems, the Alliance's resources for testing under temperatures and pressure conditions representative of a field are unique in the world. With such a high quantity of equipment, multiple studies can be carried out in parallel. With more than 100 researchers involved in their projects, the Alliance has an incubator which allows it to innovate continuously. Our research and development programs aim to push the limits of enhanced oil recovery towards more complex reservoirs and make such technology more robust, less expensive, and quicker to implement.
With industrial scale-up capabilities and expertise in reservoir simulation, the Alliance can design the pilot, a key step of an EOR project.
To design a pilot, the Alliance uses data from the laboratory study as the basis for the numerical simulation. Simulation is then associated with an uncertainty analysis to provide better predictions from a technical and economical perspective, and also to reduce risk. The Alliance's sound expertise in the use of market reservoir software, including the Puma Flow Simulator, helps improving the injection strategy to optimize the pilot.
The processes developed by the Alliance are EOR compliant. From production to re-injection through water treatment, the Alliance proposes studies to optimize surface installations and manage operational risks. The Alliance's mission continues on the ground to ensure rapid implementation of the pilot.
For the pilot phase, the chemical products identified in the laboratory are produced on a large scale. Rigorous quality control is obviously ensured at each stage from the factory to the field. The Alliance also puts in place a whole series of checks and tests together with its clients' teams to guarantee complete control of the process. They notably concern water quality, injected chemicals, and produced fluids, for example. It is our responsibility as an industrial company to support our clients all the way through implementation in the field.
Finally, detailed monitoring helps interpret field response and update the pilot model in real time. This allows us to recommend any potential adjustments. The Alliance's expertise and state-of-the-art technologies can address even the most difficult reservoir challenges. The EOR Alliance is present across the globe to support oil companies for projects ranging from studies to pilots and large-scale deployments for all types of reservoir.